In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TikTok Ads Manager in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to leverage TikTok's vast audience or a marketer wanting to explore new advertising avenues, setting up TikTok Ads Manager is a pivotal first step. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the TikTok for Business sign-up page at ads.tiktok.com. Once you're there, you'll need to create a login. You can use either your email address or your phone number, along with a secure password. Creating a strong password is essential to protect your account from unauthorized access, so make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in your details, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions before hitting the Sign Up button. It's always a good idea to glance over the terms to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've signed up, your account details will be submitted for review. This is a standard procedure in setting up Ads Manager accounts, and it typically takes less than 24 hours, so be sure to keep an eye on your inbox for updates. Once you receive the email confirmation that your account is approved, sign back into TikTok Ads Manager and locate the Create Ad button on your dashboard. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose a campaign objective. The choice of objective is crucial as it dictates how your ads will be optimized. You might want to generate website traffic or focus on conversions. Pick the one that best suits your goal. The next step is to select your campaign type. The default is generally set to manual campaign, which I recommend sticking with initially since it offers greater control over various aspects of your ad campaign. Name your campaign and set a budget that aligns with your marketing plan. Establishing a reasonable budget is important to balance visibility with cost effectiveness. You'll then move on to defining your ad group parameters. This part allows you to specify your target audience by selecting their demographics and interests. Accurate targeting helps in attracting the right audience to your ad. You can also select ad placements and decide on your bid if you're opting for a competitive bidding process. Up next is creating your ad creative. TikTok gives you the flexibility to either go with a single video ad or a carousel. Try to be creative and ensure your ad content aligns with your brand's message. Following this, you'll set a clear call to action, or CTA, which prompts your audience to take the desired action, like visiting your website. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to submit your ad for review. TikTok usually reviews ads pretty quickly, so you can expect to start seeing results soon. And there you have it. Setting up TikTok Ads Manager is a straightforward process that can be completed efficiently by following these steps. Thanks for tuning in, and happy advertising.